Okay, another dinosaur from an egg, this time a Stegosaurus. There's the egg, we've got the tail sticking out this end. The egg's a bit higher at that side, okay. The tail, again, like a lot of dinosaurs, held quite high, like that. And the Steggy's head is actually quite small, a wee bit like a snake actually, or maybe even a turtle, you know, there's a kind of slightly pointed shape like that, a long mouth, you know, a little eye underneath, okay. His legs are thick at the top, like that, coming down to quite small shapes at the bottom, like that. Okay, exaggerate that. And this one comes down here, let's see, yeah, that'll come down a bit there. Start fairly high up. Little feet there. The other one coming in behind. And the toes, okay? And of course, the thing about the Stegosaurus is they have great kind of plates, kind of almost like triangular plates coming up out of the back, like that. Protective points there, you see that? Almost like big arrowheads sticking up. They leave a little space between them, like that, and getting smaller as they come down the tail, like that. And in between, you'll see the other ones which are planted on the other side of the Stegosaurus. So 2 rows of these. So that's the second row in there. Coming in, like that, okay. So let's put in his features now. A little line, a bit like a snake, as I said. Little eye looking out. Little pointed mouth shape coming in there. Little nostril, okay. And then the back again, wrinkly. Don't do it too smooth. Okay, and then up to the pointed tail. And to the bottom here. Nice big fat leg at the top, coming down to smaller shapes at the bottom there, little toes, like that, okay. And the underside, the front legs thick at the top, you know, accentuate that difference there, almost as if it's on tiptoes. And there. Okay, now let's get the plates in. Right, again, you can use a slightly wrinkled line, like that, not too straight. And slightly wrinkled arrowheads coming up there, like that. Almost like diamonds, aren't they? Embedded in his back, or her back. Okay, and there's the other one coming in behind there. Yeah, like that. Okay. And we're going to finish these off by drawing in the kind of lines that would appear on them. And if you put a middle line like that, and then radiate very thin lines coming up on the other side. So there's the middle line there, okay, and then a couple of lines radiating out from that. Gives you the feeling of the quality of these plates. Okay, like that. Nice. Try and make these lines quite delicate, not as thin as your outline shapes, not as thick, I should say. Right, okay, so again we can put in a few wrinkly lines here, maybe a couple on his knees, like that. Okay, so there's Steggy for you, Stegosaurus from the egg. Let's rub it out to have a better look. Excellent. So do join me in the other parts of the series about drawing dinosaurs, but there's lots more to come. Okay, so in the meantime, all the best and happy drawing. Oops, I almost forgot another of Steggy's features are the points at the tail. He's got a couple of, you know, spiky, almost like big thorns sticking out of the back of his tail there, you know, as an extra line of defense. Okay, right, well, this time I'll see you again. Okay, all the best and happy drawing.